PropsOff goes whoop racing in Cincinnati, Ohio.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. Got a little something for you here. Thought I'd share some highlights of some whoop racing I did in Cincinnati. So this building, first of all, is amazing. This thing is a 3-story building. I guess it was built in the 1900s for Jones the florist. So it's a 3-story atrium. But you can see the architecture and it's just amazing. I've never really flown too many spaces like this. I mean, whooping in your basement and your buddy's house or garage is not quite the same as this 3-story building. So you can kind of see some of the gates setting up and everything. Just amazing. More amazing than that are the people. Had a great time. What a good group of guys. Thank you, Cincinnati Quad Race or Whoop Brother Racing, for putting this on. And as you can see, they get around. They've been around the block a few times. The video gear, that was really interesting. Had no issues at all with video. Something really stellar here. And the gates tripped me up. I'll have to admit, my nerves were a wreck. And like if you crashed in this thing, you were in there for an infinity. No pun implied. But this monstrosity of a thing, oh man, if you didn't hit that just right, you were stuck in there pretty good. Super cool. Check it out. Have a good one. Look at this monstrosity of a thing. Every time I get to this table, I get so nervous, my hands start shaking. I tell myself I'm going to do a good job, but is something when you get into a competition like this. Your nerves start to really get the best of you, unfortunately. But here's like the highlight of my race. Alright, you want to actually see some fast racing? Let's check out these guys. They seem to burn it up pretty quick.
It's behind Black Horse and 24 behind Unlimited.
It should do a 10-second delay, but it doesn't. There you go. All right. All right.
You get a good one?
Oh, snap. You remember to switch.
Oh.